Hello and welcome to the Random Knowledge Trivia app. This group is composed of Rafael Perez and Chris Novak. Now let's go ahead and begin with the Choose a Quiz button. So it leads us to a list activity which is comprised of a list of quizzes, and these quizzes are composed of an image, a description, and a title. So let's go ahead and click on Geography Quiz, and it leads us right to the first question. So you'll notice it starts a timer that begins at 20 seconds by default. So let's go ahead and answer questions, and you will notice that on the top, as we answer questions, that the progress bar continues to fill. It fills in about 10% each time after each question because it's about 10 questions per quiz. So we go ahead and continue, and you'll notice that we're not getting any feedback. This is what we call no instant feedback, and this feature can actually be changed in the settings. So let's go ahead and continue. And at the end, you'll notice that we have 100% complete through the quiz. We have a 2D drawing of is your head spinning as a reference to how much knowledge we are receiving through this random knowledge quiz, and it'll cause our head to spin. You'll also notice our score, which is a 4 out of 10. And you also notice the 3 buttons at the bottom: New Quiz, Home, and Take Screenshot. Now let's try out the Take Screenshot. So we'll click it. It enables 2 share buttons, and basically those we can share through 2 different social media. So start with the Facebook. And you will notice, and it actually leads us to the Facebook page, and we can put in a test, post it. Let's go on to our Facebook app. Just load it back, and you'll notice that we actually managed to post it. So let's go back to our app. Let's share it through Messenger. Let's send that over to Chris Novak. All right, we managed to send it. All right, let's hopefully we can get a response. So let's click on a new button. Let's click on New Quiz, and it leads us right back to the quiz activity list. So we go ahead and click on another question, so Animal Quiz, and it leads us to a new quiz. And we go along, and again we get the new one. Oh, we got a response from Chris. Let's check it out. Looks like we got the response. Fantastic. Now let's go ahead and see the home. Well, it leads us right back to home. Let's click the View High Scores. You'll notice that there are different high scores for different quizzes. For the geography quiz, we got Rick Grimes and then so on. So let's see if we can actually beat Rick Grimes' score of 5 out of 10. So let's go right on back. Let's go and change settings beforehand. And let's actually get instant feedback on. And let's actually change our time to 10 seconds. So let's go ahead and save it. Check our settings again just to make sure they are saved. You'll notice they are. Let's go choose a quiz, and let's go back to geography quiz. Now, you notice the 10 seconds have started. So let's go ahead and actually answer these questions. So let's go see, we got it correct. So we got instant feedback. We'll continue on, answering them correct. Let's try out one that's wrong. So we got one wrong here. The timer has stopped because we actually answered a question. And it also shows us the incorrect answer that we have chosen and the correct answer. And it also we can continue on with next. And let's see if we can actually beat his high score. So let's go ahead, answer correct for as much of these questions as we can. Oh, got that one wrong. All right, so let's say we got 8 out of 10. You also notice it tells us at the bottom, it tells us we got a new high score for this quiz. All right, let's go check it out on the home, view high scores, and you will notice we replaced Rick Grimes on the geography quiz. We have our new high score of 8 out of 10. Fantastic. Now this, again, we can also change the time. Again, we could change our feedback back. So we can go ahead, go with sports quiz. You'll see our time has been reset to a new time that we set, and there's no instant feedback. We can just continue on, and at the end, it will give us our score. So that has been the Random Knowledge Trivia app, and thank you all for watching.